Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WF-C500 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to your device, or they are not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, if they're not working for any reason like that, a hard reset is a good way to fix them. Just keep in mind you will need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted off of them, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to set these up so that they're just like they're coming out of the box new, maybe you're buying used ones or something like that, or you just got a new phone and you want to set them up new, we can go ahead and do this. It's very easy. You're going to do this one earbud at a time. You're going to do the same thing to both earbuds. So you'll take the left earbud, starting with the left earbud, you're going to press and hold the button on the back of it for about 20 seconds. So after about 15 seconds, the light will start to blink orange here, and it will continue for about 5 seconds. Then it'll turn off. You can let go, and then do it on this exact same thing on the right earbud, and then you're done. You can go ahead and turn your earbuds on and set them up as a new set of earbuds.